Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today, oh my goodness, we finally have a Giga to unbox. If you don't know what a Giga is from Kunwu, it refers to one of their knives, but an ultimate version of it. A really over-the-top, spectacular version of one of their knives. And I had said months ago, perhaps over a year ago, I would love to check one of these out and show it off on the channel. Thanks to Kunwu Knives, we finally have one here that I can share with everybody. Now, I want to preface this by saying I have no idea when these will be available. When these are available, they're very, very small batches, right? There's only a few of them. Sometimes, I would imagine like between 2 and 5. They don't drop very many at a time because they legitimately cannot mass produce these. This is a pretty expensive thing to create. So collector tier item, right? Really over the top, extremely expensive. But very cool, and it should be fun just to take a look at it and talk about it. So thank you so much to Kunwu for letting me share this with everybody. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Let's go ahead and open this up. Make sure that your notifications are turned on for the Metal Complex YouTube channel. And I will, of course, have Kunwu products linked in the description where you can go and check for these Giga items to, to see if they've dropped. So, okay, this is, I believe, slightly different. I don't remember ever having a pouch like this. Very, very cool, though. Definitely a step up from what we typically see there. I like that a lot. There's a lot going on. That's pretty cool. Okay, we have the microfiber cloth. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. So we have a little card here, certificate of authenticity, etc., etc. Very cool. I will keep all of that. This is, of course, a Giga Padre. Holy moly. So this is ZDP 189, 65 to 67 HRC, handle material Damascus. And then I'm going to guess there's quite a bit going on. Let's just, instead of talking about it, let me get the glove on. Not because it's delicate, but I don't want to get my greasy fingerprints all over it when it's likely very, very polished up. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at this. How spectacular. God. So this is also contoured. Any of these smudges up here, it's basically just the moisture from my hand sort of coming through the glove and onto the knife itself. That is absolutely beautiful titanium Damascus. Very cool. Contoured all the way through. We have a Damascus pivot collar. We have a Damascus backspacer. So cool. Damascus pocket clip all the way through. And look at that blade. Oh my goodness. Let's get this out. Yes. Oh man. Mirror polish ZDP 189. Absolutely spectacular. So out of all of the knives that Kunwu does, save for my own design, Excalibur, oh boy, that really messes with the light, doesn't it? My favorite model from Kunwu is definitely the Padre. They have a lot of really awesome stuff. I truly don't believe they make a bad model. I've never reviewed a Kunwu knife that I didn't like, and yes, that includes before they were making my Excalibur for people wanting to, excuse me, Mr. Complex, but no, this was before they even did my Excalibur. Yeah, I don't think they make a bad product, but out of all of their good products, in my opinion, their greatest product is the Padre. So this will absolutely be, oh my God, is this a liner lock? It is. It's not a frame lock. Oh my goodness. I didn't even realize. Oh, that makes me very, very happy. Look at that. Not an exposed frame lock. I think that's awesome. So in the future, because a lot of people are going to say, why wouldn't they have done a Vertilock or whatever? I venture to guess that they will, right? They will probably eventually do a Vertilock Giga whatever, right? And before anybody asks, or actually people I'm sure have already asked, and I've answered this question, but I'll answer it again. Is there going to be a Giga version of Excalibur? Yes. Yes, eventually. I don't know when, but we do plan to do that. I think it's really cool that Kunwu does these Giga versions, and regardless of the fact that these are made in China, they are still very, very expensive to make. I've handled some full titanium Damascus and mirror polished like S90V knives from, for example, Artisan Cutlery, and those go for a little less. Those are really nice knives. They are not executed quite as well. This is a little bit, just a touch bit more material, and by that I'm being sarcastic. It's quite a bit, right? And then add in your contouring and the way that Kunwu executes their products versus Artisan Cutlery, right? ZDP 189, to my knowledge, is actually more expensive than S90V. It adds up. These end up being incredibly expensive products, and they, like I said, they only make a few at a time. Can I still, yeah, I still can front flip that. So I actually don't know how much they charge for Giga products. I believe it's over 1,000, I believe. But again, you know, there's not a huge market for people, you know, there's people wanting to kick in doors to spend over $1,000. Obviously, versus the mass majority of the knife world, no, it's nowhere near, like, it's an incredibly teeny tiny population that wants to buy knives like this, right? These aren't made for everybody. So most people are going to look at something like this and go, oh my God, who would ever? It doesn't need to be everybody. It only needs to be a few people, and that's exactly who they're catering to. There are a few people who want stuff like this. This is just truly spectacular. Oh, look at that. So this is ZDP. You see that line right there? This is actually San Mai. And I believe now all ZDP is a core, right? So this is, the reason you're seeing a line there is because this is ZDP clad in something that probably increases its toughness and its corrosion resistance. It used to be years ago that ZDP was being sold as its own steel, and then at some point the company who makes it decided to make all of it as a clad. So right now, I don't think indefinitely, but right now, or well, I guess that would be the definition of indefinitely. Anyways, right now, ZDP, as far as, you know, what you are able to get, it's all going to be clad. So this is actually a San Mai, and you can see the core line right there where just kind of, just barely, right? I'm not sure that we're actually going to be able to see it on the spot. Oh, yeah, we can make it out just a little tiny bit there. You can see. Very, very beautiful. Absolutely spectacular. Perfect detent. Action is really, really smooth, exactly the way that I would expect. In fact, I think maybe, yeah, these are actually a little bit more glassy, actually quite a bit more glassy than your typical one. So I love the action on my Excalibur. Absolutely love it. There is definitely a difference. They are altering, these are not just regular Kunwus that they're just making out of different materials. I think there's a whole new tier of effort going on here. I would venture to guess, obviously, there is some handwork, some hand fitting, some hand tuning. Still CNC work. There's obviously still some CNC work, but this is a much, much larger effort. It is no longer a production knife at this point. This is, I would say, to put it mildly, that we are looking at a mid-tech minimum. So extremely cool. I can't wait to, I'm not going to do a review on this because I'm not going to carry it and experience it, but I will do an overview and provide more details when I have them. But really excellent stuff. Very exciting to finally have a Giga in the collection. Thank you so much to Kunwu for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. If you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex. So go right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.